Hi everyone, I am back with an origami video and today we'll be making a sit-up pup origami. Look at how cute it is, I can't wait. So let's get started. As usual, starting off with a square piece of origami paper. Actually, let's switch it up to a nice piece of paper. Amazing, so let's get started with making a blitz base. So flipping over to the blank side, we will fold it diagonally in half first. And then we will fold it diagonally the other way as well. Then opening it back up, we are going to fold to all the corners actually towards the center. Awesome. And then next thing you're going to do, we can now get properly started, is to actually unfold two of these, but keep two of them folded. We will fold the top and bottom edge towards the center crease. Awesome. This is how it should look. And then the front, the kind of like edges, like we're going to diagonally fold it, the tip here. So the short side here will be touching the center line. Like so. Just gonna zoom in a bit, like that. And then now what we're going to do is do a zigzag fold towards the center here from this side. So gonna kind of like do equal zigzags to the center line, so like so, and then squash it down, squash the fold down, making sure it's even as well, your zigzag. Cool, like that it should look now. And then we will fold the tip on the other side back. Like so, and then we will fold it in half, our model, like this. Doing a mounting fold in on itself, and we should get this shape. And then what we're going to do is do an reverse fold, so we will, on the right side as well, I should mention, we're going to open it, push up and flatten it back down as we do so. I'm going to bring it back quite a bit actually. So we've just got a small square peeking that's left. And then next what we're going to do is now do another reverse fold and reverse fold this back down this time. This will basically form the head. Push it, push all the way, like this. Awesome, and then we will kind of the tail at the back here, pull it up and out, so like that. And then we also get our little feet for our dog as we're doing that. Awesome. And then next what we're going to do is just kind of bring the head down. So kind of like this much as we're doing it. So if it was like this before, then we want to bring it back so it's like about this much of it left peeping through. Or actually we could leave it this much. I think this is a good amount. So you can obviously like kind of make it however you want really. And then the final step basically is to fold these forward to make our little ears for our doggy. Might want to bring this back a little if you want, because my doggy's a little long right now. I think it looks more like a sausage dog, and yeah, basically you can tweak it however you really want. And the final thing is really to just draw a face onto it. Cool, so there, this is basically how my end origami looks. So what I did was kind of like stand it flat and push the tail forward a bit more because the tail was looking very, very long, and then kind of brought the head back like I said. So I kind of like opened it up here and brought it back a bit more so that I could make the neck thicker and like bring down the head more. Yeah, so I brought it down even more so I could fold the ear forward just a bit more. But not completely flat, so like when I stand it up it's kind of got a more 3D effect, so it does actually stand up like so, which kind of looks odd because it's an overhead camera. But yeah, that's basically the final piranha with its cute little face. It's so adorable. I really love this origami, and yeah, that's it. Like usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this video. Thumbs up this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other sorts of arts and craft video I post on here. And yeah, thanks everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.